Welcome to the Mdumbi Green Fair, third year running, an awesome event about the heritage of the earth, keeping this place that we live on safe, keeping this place that we live on there for us to continue, for our children to live on. It's the brainchild of TransCape organization, which is a non-profit organization down Chani Coast in the wild coast of the Eastern Cape, together with Mankosi community and a bunch of awesome sponsors. They came together, decided they're going to put together an event where all the proceeds and everything that is done there goes into benefiting the local community to increase the people's ability to make a living and to eradicate poverty every day, small steps at a time. The words, the pictures can only sell it so much. You actually have to come meet the people. You actually have to come taste the pizza called the best. It's difficult for us to pinpoint it down to what happens within one event essentially, because it's what happens after the event. It's where the money goes. It's the Mankosi clinic that was built and renovated with this money, the education center, the local education center, and the development of the skills of the people in the area, because what's happening here is amazing and it's growing every year. So you have to come, you have to be here to experience it. It is real in a world where not too much is these days.